friends, I am Dr. Sadeep. In our channel, I will be uploading the videos concerning our homeopathic treatment aspect, homeopathic diagnostic aspect and homeopathic practical application aspects. I also done a few videos on academic interests also. Today's topic is fine tuning of the case taking. So in case taking, I have already done 5-6 videos which are concerned about the basics of case taking, which in our books they have given what are the rules to be implicated, what are the rules to be followed during case taking. So that is about the basic of case taking, friends. Today what I am making you understand is what is the fine tuning of case taking. So what you must understand, what you must have in extra to get the case properly. So the basic idea of case taking is to understand the deceased individual or the sick human being. So everybody knows this. And we follow the rules whatever our masters has given in our organon of medicine and even in our teaching institute whatever they have taught. So one thing we are not concerned, or one thing we will be skipping, is that I will be discussing today, friends. So in this case taking, if you want to have a fine tuning of case taking, you must use your all 5 senses and also the 6th sense, that is common sense. So I mean to say that first is observation. You must have a very keen observing eyes and mind. And second is you must have the full information about the sensation of the patient sitting before you. So how he is feeling, how he is able to taste, what is his taste, what is his smell capacity, what is his touch response. So using all our 5 senses and to understand the sick human being, how the 5 senses are in him. Are they increased in their function or they depressed in their function? All 5 senses we must take note of. This is very important, which will represent the sick human being, friends. So I mean to say that first is eyes, second is nose, third is mouth, that is tongue, and fourth is skin. So these 5 senses to be evaluated in each individual patient so that we will get a very important information of the identity of the sick human being. So in that there are 2 ways I am making you understand, friends. One, your 5 senses must be very powerful to take the note of deviation from the previous healthy state to the now diseased state. And another one thing, the same 5 senses, how they are in the sick human being. If you take note of these things, you will reach the totality of the symptoms. So today I want to tell about this fine tuning of case taking using these 5 senses of the physician, and also knowing the 5 senses of the sick human being gives you a very broad spectrum understanding of the sick human being, which also guide the physician to come to the totality of the sick human being. And this will also help to give the proper indicated individualistic medicine, friends. So if you like this video, please like our channel, share our channel and subscribe to our channel. So like this fine tuning, I will be making few more videos in future. You please subscribe our channel, friends. Thank you. Take care.